What's good, Wealthbuilderz? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon, put in work, Burke, and today we're talking about how to sell insurance without getting a license. Let's go.
To say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.
Okay, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we talk about making more money, saving more money, building a better you, and business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand. How to sell insurance without getting a license. Okay, I know you're wondering, what am I talking about, right? What do I mean? Like, how could you sell insurance without getting a license? Like, most states require a license, Devon. Well, I'm not exactly telling you to become an insurance agent at all, okay? I'm not telling you to illegally do anything. I'm not telling you to actually become a sort of a weird pseudo insurance agent. I'm telling you to become an affiliate, okay? You can do this in almost any niche, so why does it matter to do so with the insurance industry? It's because this is where the money is. Okay, this is where the money's made. You can literally make some of the highest commissions just by getting people to sign up to or buying insurance. All you have to do is sign up to the right affiliate program that pays you at least $100 to get people to sign up through your link. All right? Then I'll have some links in the description for you to do so. Now, the easiest way to do this is get a web designer from a site like Fiverr.com and then pay a web designer to create a website focused around the insurance niche and put your affiliate links in your content. Then create YouTube and TikTok videos to promote your website to get traffic to your website. You can do paid ads if you like, but you can also do a lot of organic type videos, okay? And when people go to your website, make sure there's a pop-up that you can market to your visitors to sign up to an email list. This will direct them to a website to sign up for your insurance, for insurance. And you'll end up getting a commission for that, okay? Just for getting them in the door, just for getting a lead half the time. And all it takes is a little creativity and the consistency. And you can start building a solid income without investing more than $100 to $200. And that's for the website creation only. And if you want to learn how to do something like this with almost any niche and just a little bit more detail, well, a lot more detail, but a little bit more detail, you can check out the Wealthbuilderz System.com. The link is in the description, okay? And you get to really learn how to do this and create your own economy. So thanks for watching. Thanks for being a subscriber. It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon put in work, Burke, signing off for how to become an insurance agent or how to sell insurance without getting a license. Do remember, Wealthbuilderz, we make more, we save more, we build more. Peace.
To say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's basic. World domination is what